Hey, how's it going? My name is Ricky May from Rollin Sound at the Avenues here in Jacksonville, Florida. This is our Phillips Highway location. We've been at this location for close to 18 years. Currently, Rollin Sound's in the area has been over 30-40 years. I personally have been in the car audio 12 volt scene for over 28 years here in Jacksonville, Florida. Here at Rollin Sound, we specialize 12 volt audio, video, navigation, security, sound treatment, pretty much anything automotive. We do custom fabrication, in minor interior work. The biggest thing is our audio integration, fab, and our sound quality. SounDigital, it's a company we've been working with closely for, I'd say, about 4 years now. Ever since we brought it in, worked really well. We love the biggest thing, availability of the product, easy to use, great company to work with. For sound quality, that's definitely going to be starting with the GAN amplifiers. Once we got set up with that, brought that in, it pretty much blew away the competition with the sound quality, how warm the output and the sound is. And the biggest concern is the fact of how compact the amplifiers are. It's completely made it a game changer with the newer trucks that kind of really have a limit on what kind of space we can work with. So it's definitely worked well. Favorite Ground Zero products, probably in my opinion, is going to be the Hydrogen series subs, especially their 10-inch. For output, that's probably the best speaker on the market that I've found for wattage and price point. Really can't be beat, in my opinion. At the end of the day, you can have the best amplifiers, best speakers, but without actually completing them together with the best wiring on the market, we found 4Connect definitely, creates that and kind of brings it all together. One company we're able to get everything from, so we're not having to source, pick and choose from 3 to 4 different companies. It keeps everything in-house as one. So it's definitely worked out very well. Again, Ricky May, Rollin Sound at the Avenues here in Jacksonville, Florida, 11672 Phillips Highway, 904-886-4575. Pretty much find us on Facebook, Rollin Sound at the Avenues. Need anything, give us a call. We can definitely get you in, taken care of, especially with a great product, standing behind with HKI, Ground Zero, SounDigital, and all connected in with the 4Connect. Definitely a great package.